Hey everyone, welcome to Skill Tech Technologies, your ultimate destination for tech hacks and programming success. Today, we're diving into 10 pro tips to learn Python quickly and kickstart your journey as a coding superstar. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a quick boost, this video is packed with everything you need. Let's get started and unlock the power of Python together. Number 1. Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages to learn. Whether you're a beginner or switching careers, Python can get you started in no time. Let me show you how to learn it quickly. Number 2. Start with the basics. Learn how to write simple programs. Understand variables, data types, and basic syntax. Websites like W3 Schools or freeCodeCamp are great for beginners. Number 3. Skip long theory sessions. Practice small projects like a calculator app, a to-do list, or even a game. Coding is all about hands-on practice. You can go through our short tutorials video projects on Python. Number 4. Leverage online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and YouTube offer beginner-friendly Python courses that teach you step-by-step. Number 5. Focus on libraries that match your goals. If you're into data, learn NumPy or Pandas. For web development, try Flask or Django. For automation, check out Selenium. Number 6. Build mini projects to apply what you learn. Create a weather app, scrape data from websites, or build a simple chatbot. These projects will make you confident and job-ready. Number 7. Join communities. Join Python communities on Reddit, Discord, or Stack Overflow. You'll find answers to your questions and get help when you're stuck. Number 8. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Spend at least 30 minutes coding every day. Small, consistent steps lead to big progress. Number 9. Resources to bookmark. Bookmark helpful resources like python.org, Codecademy, and RealPython for extra practice and guidance. These resources will help you to get hands-on with Python programming, and you will learn faster than courses or other theories. Number 10. Conclusion and call to action. Python is a journey, not a sprint. Follow these steps, and you'll master it in no time. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone starting their Python journey. Learning Python is simpler than you think. With consistency and the right resources, you'll master it in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.